Okay, now shooting at 640 and 60 frames per second. 640 by 480. Aperture is at 8, ISO 400, and shutter speed 160. Going manual focusing here. Sorry about that. Now focusing on the object in the front. Now triangling object behind. Don't know how to fix the depth of field yet. It's as far as I could go. Maybe I could blur it out more if I set the shutter speed higher. I don't know. Gonna study that later. There we go. We'll try to set the aperture higher and the shutter speed higher too. Oh wait, aperture lower. By the way, this is the lowest the aperture could go, 3.5, and this would be the lowest the shutter speed could go at 60. I'm going to set the shutter speed highest at 4000, still at 400 ISO. Exposure aperture will try to go highest. That's a blackout. We'll try to fix the ISO 6400. This would be good if I'm looking at the sun, which is not visible right now. Exposure. No wait. Aperture. ISO. Now setting aperture at 5.6 and shutter speed at 2000. Maybe we could look at some leaves. Again, this is on manual standard picture mode. We're trying to adjust the tripod a bit so I can see better. Yeah, there we go. The zoom function. This is as far as a 18 to 55 millimeter lens could go. It's a cloudy day here, but I fixed the light so we could see more. No wait, I fixed the exposure, aperture, and ISO. Maybe if we can set This is auto in auto ISO, which makes the environment more cloudier. This cloudy day. You could fix the shutter speed so you could see more of the sky. There you go. The sky is pretty visible. You can see some clouds there. It's a very cloudy day. The sky is kind of gray. There is a hint of blue though. Going back down to Earth. Looks pretty good with auto ISO. Let's set this at 3200. Colors. I love it. That would be all for now for the manual mode, full manual mode.